Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that GE has made a good solid move. I mean, when you consider where the price was down around here, and now all of a sudden the price is up here, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price has definitely made a nice bounce. But that does lead to the very rational question, especially on GE, but is there any sort of true power behind it? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction, which has happened many times in the past? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $7.70. Why is $7.70 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 770. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this instance? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, quote unquote, again, as $7.70. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, you have the overarching pink line up there, which on my chart represents the 200 period simple moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when prices are below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Not saying it's impossible to break, just saying it tends to act as resistance. So that'll certainly be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, GE has made a nice move. Not just a question of can they continue to make progress going forward. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.